What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking a closer look at iOS 18.5 for the iPhone 13 Pro. From new features to subtle changes and my personal recommendations, here's everything you need to know. Let's dive in. Starting off, the new build number of iOS 18.5 is 22F76. This update was sized around 1.15 GB, so you can update it from on your mobile data or Wi-Fi, either what's your wish. If you have updated already, you will see this under your software version, but don't rush into it just yet. There are a few things you should consider. So, first of all, after the update, I noticed the storage on my iPhone 13 Pro got occupied by 2 GB. This is something to keep in mind if your device is running low on space. Apple has also updated modem firmware to version, let me show you. On iPhone 13 Pro, it's updated to 4.60.01, clearly mentioned here, which could improve call quality and network stability. Let me know in the comments if you have noticed any difference. iOS 18.5 also includes a stunning new Pride wallpaper, adding a vibrant, customizable look to your iPhone. I think it's a great way to celebrate individuality and diversity. People who are interested can check out in the Pride section here. You can see in the Pride here are all the new wallpapers, and it have new animation as well. The warranty screen got revamped to now it's much easier to check your device coverage details at a glance. Jump to settings, and in the general you will see Apple Care and warranty, and you will see your device name as well and serial number. So you can see your all the warranty details. For iPhone 13 Pro or iPhone 13 series, here's an exciting addition. Satellite mode is now available for the iPhone 13 series, including the Pro models. This feature enables emergency SOS via satellite, which could be lifesaver for remote areas. Now, while these updates sound great, I have noticed some bugs. For example, like I have noticed the problem in standby mode. I don't know. I need to restart after that bug. Otherwise, I was unable to use my phone. It was just stuck on my iPhone's standby mode screen while it shows while on charging. That's everything new in iOS 18.5. There are little bit changes, but not that much that need to show in the video. Like, are these changes worth updating for? Let me know in the comments what your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with upcoming reviews. See you in the next one. Bye bye.